the IKEA Milkster, and also like why I like it and some upgrades I made. Now, first thing to mention is IKEA product names are funny to Americans and, well, anyone who speaks English. Like this one. It's called Product. So the first of the upgrades is I stuck it through a lid. Just like a splash so I could like more aggressively froth in a smaller cup. I think I'll probably change the lid out for a larger one, but basically go like that, and it won't escape. The second upgrade I did was removing the little rubber piece because it was like causing interference and extra friction. That made a noticeable improvement in the power. And probably the battery life too. The next upgrade was going from alkaline batteries, like this one, also from IKEA, to Energizer Ultimate Lithium. I am not sponsored by any of the brands shown. I just find that these are very good quality. These make it so much more powerful because they are a lower ESR and have a higher open circuit voltage than the alkalines. And they're also lighter weight, which is nice. They have a longer shelf life. They are more expensive, but this is one device where I will continue to buy the Ultimate Lithiums for. It's great for making, like, if you want chocolate milk, but only have hot chocolate mix. Like, this is my preferred way of buying it. It's much more environmentally friendly than buying it in the packets. Does not come with a spoon or a scoop, annoyingly, but this will also stir in cinnamon and turmeric. We just put that lid in. This cup's also from IKEA. Nice and frothy.